Here, write a program to find the sum of two integers by reading the values from the user. We have done this program earlier also with a printf where we have assigned the value like a equals to 10, b equals to 20 within the program. But now we are not going to assign the value. When I run the program, that time we have to ask the user who is running the program to enter two values. So once again, for this, at the top, the preprocessor statement, that is hash include stdio.h, stdlib.h. Here int main. So declare the variable here. So I'll declare to find the sum of two numbers, total 3 values we are going to store. So I'll take a 3 variables a, b, c. So here 2 bytes has been allocated for these 3 variables. Fine, now I have to read the value of a and b. So what I do is I'll just give a scanf %d ampersand of a and ampersand of b. So if you just give like this, during execution of the program, cursor will be waiting here. So a person who runs the program, he will not come to know that he has to enter 2 values. That's better if you display a message as enter 2 values before you wait. So that you can do it with a printf by giving a printf enter 2 values or enter 2 integers. And then wait. So it will display the message enter 2 integers, okay, and then it will wait for the value. So if I give your value 10, then the 10 will be stored inside A, and then again wait for the second value in the next line. If I give 20, then the 20 will be stored inside this B. And now after that you can find the sum by giving your C is equals to A plus B. And then the result is present inside C that you can display here. That is your A value if it is 10, the B value if it is 20, and then the C is equals to A plus B, that's going to be nothing but 30, and the 30 value can be displayed on the screen by giving here printf /n, that is sum equals to %d, that is C. Then close this. Okay. So fine, next time again if you run the program, once again at this scanf line, again the cursor will be waiting. So enter 2 values, cursor will be waiting. So if I give this time as a 25, then the 25 will be stored inside this A. And then if I give a 35, then the 35 will be stored inside this B. And then again it will automatically calculate in the next line A plus B, that's going to be nothing but 60, and 60 will be displayed as the sum. So every time you run, the new A and B value you're going to give. Whereas in the previous case, when you are assigning A value equals to 10, B value is 20, every time you run the program, always it is going to display the same output. If you want to change the value, then you have to change the program. Here you need not change the program at all. So that is, it's going to read the value of this A and B during execution of the program. So this is the program to find the sum of two integer values. I will see the same example on a code block. So as usual, hash include stdio.h, stdlib.h, and within the main I declare here 3 variables. It's an int a, b, c. So instead of assigning the value, so I'll just read it by giving scanf this %d. I have not used a printf. We'll see what will be the output, and we'll give an ampersand of a, ampersand of b. Okay, and then you'll find the sum by giving C equals to A plus B, and then display the result by giving your printf /n, that is sum is colon %d, that's an C value. Okay, so I haven't given here a printf function for asking for the values. Let's see what will be the output. So there's no error, run the code. So cursor is waiting here. So when it is waiting, I won't come to know what exactly I have to do. I have written the program. If I have written the program, I will be knowing what I have to do. But if the same program is given to someone else who is going to only run the program. He doesn't know about C language, and if he runs it, he doesn't come to know that what he has to enter the two values here. So that's why it's better if you give a message that to enter two values. Anyhow, we'll give a value and then check it out. So 10 and first value 20, and then here it is displaying the sum value equals to 30. Here, before the scanf, now we'll add a printf function. Printf /n enter two integer values. Okay. Save this, build, no errors, run the code. Now when you run, it is asking me to enter two values. Enter two integer values. This time I'll give it as 25, enter key, 35, enter key, the sum equals to 60. If I rerun this once again, so once again it will ask me the value. So I'll give 100 and 200. This time it is giving as sum equals to 300. As like your previous programs, that is to find the sum of two integer values, we had assigned the value, but here we are not assigning every time we are reading the value during execution of the program. That is done through this scanf step.